So today is September 11 and I'm standing next to Joe's Stone Crab. Usually we have here two guys eating. Now this vehicle was empty. So empty with the engine on. I am a customer of this Waste Connections. They come here and they pick up trash from my building. I pay them as part of my condominium assessments. So this terror has been happening for half a year, where they simply stand. The vehicle is parked next to my condominium in front of the Joe's Stone Crab. You see, they are blocking other vehicles. And as I'm saying, they are my, I am their customer. So they are leaving their vehicles with engine on. They are going to Joe's Stone Crab, having nice breakfast. And we, the taxpayers, we have to pay. Every day. Every day they are standing here and having breakfast. Every day. They will not move. Every day. I am paying them. My hard-earned money to have the engine on. You know, people are begging them to move. This is Joe's Stone Crab. People cannot drive.
Hey, that's illegal to video us, okay? You have a break.
I'm your customer.
So what's the problem?
Every day you do these garbage trucks, you have engine on next to my building for hours.
We sit right here, so this not at your building.
Listen, I cannot work.
This is a restaurant.
No.
That's how you do with your building, man. You dump your can and keep moving.
I'm going to walk around the building to show that I am next to Joe's Stone Crab, because these garbage truck drivers are terrorizing me every single day. So I'm going to show you that I'm next to Joe's Stone Crab. And this is my building. And this is Joe's Stone Crab. So I'm going to walk around the building. I think that they're going to be there still. So this is Joe's Stone Crab. I guess they picked up food not at Joe Stone Crab, but somewhere else. No, maybe here. Maybe they have stuff here. Famous Joe Stone Crab. And these waste management and waste collection garbage trucks, every day they are terrorizing us. And you saw from my previous videos how they are driving back and forth to make more noise after just sitting there for an hour and a half with engine on, sometimes leaving their vehicles completely empty. Yeah, they are still here. Well, the guy went outside. Okay, we all gonna stand and wait. See the truck. They're still here. I think they are looking for us to file a complaint so they can have the indemnity insurance payout. Oh, here is the vehicle number on top.